Hi, I'm Dr. Tirgari with Avalon Laser talking about laser hair removal. This video is to answer some of the most common questions we get asked about this awesome procedure. The first question commonly asked is, who is an ideal candidate? While the ideal candidate has darker hair and lighter skin, with a range of technologies available today, we can do hair reduction in almost any candidate with almost any skin type. The second question we're commonly asked is, what are some of the benefits of laser hair removal compared to older methods such as shaving and waxing? With laser hair removal, there's none of the nicks and cuts compared with shaving. There's none of the stubble. There's the convenience of not having to shave and wax periodically. Your skin also feels smoother. And in the long run, after a series of laser hair removal treatments, you actually save money. And that's something that we can also discuss during consultations with you. The third question we get asked is, how does laser hair removal work? Laser hair removal targets the pigment within the hair follicle, and by targeting that pigment, the hair follicle is destroyed for a much longer lasting hair reduction. Compared to older methods such as shaving and waxing, which leave the hair follicle intact, laser hair removal destroys the follicle entirely, so your hair reduction is much more long-term and permanent. Clients oftentimes ask us how many treatments are required. Because there are several stages of hair growth on each body area, a minimum of 6 treatments is commonly required. This may vary from person to person and from body area to body area. We often find some areas need less, but oftentimes some areas in the body need more. And this will depend on the person and their particular situation. Finally, a question we're asked is, what can I expect for my laser hair treatment? We ask that you come in shaved and that you avoid any waxing or plucking that will remove the hair from the follicle once you initiate your treatment. We also ask that you avoid the sun so that we can provide the maximum settings and give you the best results. During your treatment, the laser will feel like a rubber band snapping against the skin. It's extremely well tolerated, and there are many methods that we use to make the process extremely comfortable for you. You will find that the hair reduction is progressive, and that with successive treatments, you'll find yourself growing less and less hair. Immediately after treatment, sometimes clients report that the skin feels slightly red, like they've just been to the gym and worked out. This is the reason we ask you to avoid the sun or exercise for at least 1 to 2 days after your treatment, so that there's no irritation to your skin from the sweat. Beyond that, laser hair removal is extremely comfortable, and you'll find it to be one of the most effective treatments that you can have. We appreciate you coming and watching this video, but feel free to visit us at www.avalon-laser.com to learn much more about what this procedure can do for you.